Welcome to Raj Creations. In this video I am going to show you this beautiful big extended square pattern of Kutch work. In my previous video of extended square pattern you have learned this. This is the extension of this pattern. Let's see the outline. First we will draw the normal extended square pattern and then we will enhance it with other clusters. As you can see, now extended square pattern has been completed. Now I am extended it this way. On the outer corners we have to draw the pattern. There will be 7 clusters on the outer edge. In the same way we have to do this on all 4 corners. Maintaining the distance between the 2 outlines. Now the 4th and the last one. We have to extend up to 3 clusters on each side. And on the outer edge there will be 7 clusters. You can enhance this design by adding leaves and other patterns. Let's see the outline part, filling part, sorry. Before doing this on fabric, you should practice it so that you can easily know where the thread has to be moved. This will give you a clear picture how to do this on fabric. This way, moving towards the next part. Thread moves in a systematic manner, so be careful and please try it once on paper before doing it on fabric. The starting point and the end point of filling as well as out. This way we will reach till the starting point. Now to enhance it, we can also cover it with some lines, some leaves, flowers, etc. to give it a beautiful look. This design looks very beautiful on cushion covers. After completing, this will look like this. Now I have already drawn this on fabric, and let's get started on fabric. Here I am using 4 strands of thread, and always try to start from the corner part. Observe the thread movement, how the thread has to be turned and how needle has to be pricked. Follow the sequence. where thread has to be moved, where it has to be turned, and where it has to be moved beneath the thread. Do not stretch the thread so much. Do it with ease. Now shifting towards the second part of motif. These are the geometrical patterns. You can easily do it without tracing if you have practiced a while. This was a request from one of my subscribers that I should do this with tracing. So here I have traced this, else it is easy to do without tracing too, once you have practiced it. Initially it looks difficult, but when you go through it, you will find it easy. All the threads will have to be same. You have to take consideration on second, fourth and sixth cluster. Here I am doing the second one, and now starting the fourth one. The direction of the thread will be the same. All of them have to be same, else while filling you will find difficult. As you can see, I am moving downwards. The direction of all the threads will have to be same on the outer edge only. Now one part of this motif has been fully completed. We are proceeding towards the second one. See how we have to switch from one part to another. This way we have to complete the whole lines, the whole outline part. Here I am slightly going to fast forward my video, but you will be able to see the steps till the end. We have to cover all these lines with the same way as we have done in the first part. In the next part of this video, I will show you the filling part because video is going too long. As you can see, on the second cluster, thread movement has been changed. This is the fourth one, and this is the sixth one. This way we have to reach till the starting point. I hope you will find this tutorial helpful. Now moving towards the fourth and the last part of this motif. Now it is almost completed. Completing, this will look like this. Thanks for watching this part. Thank you.